Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to track Amazon order with a tracking ID. It's pretty quick and simple. The thing is with Amazon, as convenient as it is, you can't really just go around and track the orders willy-nilly. You have to have an Amazon account track it. So this right here is an Amazon order tracking ID from a product that I ordered. So if I went into just Safari and try to track that ID, it's not going to work. It's because Amazon isn't just associated with one kind of transfer system. It's not UPS or FedEx. It's a bunch of different kind of mailing systems in a different kind of people doing it. Some orders when you are ordering them on Amazon are from Amazon stores, and some are just people selling their stuff. So they are going to send it in a different form than an Amazon store would sell it. So basically what I'm saying is the only way to track your order is to log into your Amazon account and go ahead and track it that way. So once you are on your Amazon account, you can go to your home page, which is the bottom left hand corner, and then hit the three lines at the bottom right, and underneath by again it says your orders, and here is a list of all your orders. So all you have to do is click on an order, and then it will pop up with their version of a tracking ad, and so it says the order was placed, going to be out for delivery today, and then once it's arrived it will say arrived today there. But there is no other way to track it does show you know your tracking ID and the information and their version of a track. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.